is about Jesus, as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 27 to verse 36. Love uno enemy them. All I want to listen me. Uno fi love uno enemy them and treat the people them we hate uno good. Anybody we cuss uno, bless them and pray for the one them we no deal with uno good. If somebody backs up on one side of your face, turn the next side, give them. If somebody take on a jacket, not tap him from take on a shirt too. If anybody beg on for sitting where no have, give them. And if nobody take away feel sitting them, no ask them back feet. Deal with people the way you want them deal with uno. If you love only the people them will love uno. What big in at that? Even the wrongdoer them love people will love them. And even if uno do good for the people them will good to uno. What big in at that? All the wrongdoer them do that too. If uno lend to people when you think can pay uno back, what big in at that? All wrongdoer lend to them one another and expect to get back all the way they lend. Uno feel love the people them we hate to know. Do good to people, lend, and no expect to get back nothing. Cause God a go pay you back big time. God kind to the people them we wicked and we no give thanks. So when uno do this, that shows say uno are really the most high God picnic. Uno feel good to people. And if they not deserve it. Just like how your Father good to people. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.